Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to use MetaTrader 5 on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 platform. Once MT5 is open, you will see the main interface. To add currency pairs, tap on the quotes icon to bring up the default currency pair list. Tap the plus button. Then select a symbols group. For example, I select CHFJPY. To see new added currency pair, go back. The currency pair will be added to the Quotes tab. To remove currency pair, tap the pencil icon. Then tap the bin icon. Select the currency pair to remove by ticking the boxes. Again, tap the bin icon. You successfully removed the currency pair. To open an instrument chart, go to Quotes. Tap on an instrument and select Open Chart. To change chart type, tap on the chart and tap on this icon. Tap Line Type. Select from 3 types of real-time charts: bar chart, candlestick, line chart. To change the time frame, tap on the chart. Select a time frame from the pop-up. To add indicators, tap this icon in the top menu. Tap F+ next to the main chart. Select an indicator from those presented. For example, I select Standard Deviation. Set your preferences for the selected indicator. Tap Save. To track your progress, navigate to the Journal page. Tap on Menu button and select Journal. You will see your all progress data. Tap this message icon to email it to yourself or others. Congratulations! You have learned about how to use MT5 on Android device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!